So I translated my terrible blue writing there. I couldn't even read what it was, but we're told that A equals -4, B equals -0.8, C equals 5, and D equals 1/5. And we're asked to evaluate this expression. So what that means is if you're given what a variable equals, you can plug what that variable equals right into the expression. So I'm going to put -0.8 here, I'm going to put 1/5 here, I'm going to put 5 here. Okay, so your teacher's going to want you to work with fractions. So let's take care of the parentheses first according to the order of operations, and we'll have to take care of the fractions when we do that. To add two fractions, the denominators have to be the same. So to get common denominators here, because this can always be rewritten as a fraction, divided by 1, you're not changing it, and now it looks like a fraction. You can multiply the top and the bottom of this guy by 5, you'll have 25 over 5, so, and that'll have common denominators. So let's write what that is. And now that we have common denominators, we can add them. So 1/5 plus 25/5 equals 26 over 5. Don't say over 10, the denominators don't add up. It's 26 over 5 in this parentheses. So to finish making that computation, multiply that 4, and to do that you can change it to a fraction if that's easier for you. That way you can multiply straight across the numerator and straight across the denominator. So 4 times 26, and then 1 times 5 makes 5. I guess depending on the preference, you can change this to a decimal right now. Use your calculator to crank that out. No big deal. But if we're not allowed calculators here, let's finish up. Well, yeah. I mean, I can't imagine an instance where a teacher's going to ask you to be that picky. But 5.2 in a calculator for the top. 104 divided by 5. That's 20.8. So when you divide those in the calculator, that's 0.25, or in other words, 1/4.